Hello everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Chain. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. Well guys, sisalindeke uthando nesithembu season 7. Ifamily yakwamseleku have introduced ishow abayibiza ngokuthi ke izingane zesithembu. La sizobona khona ke izingane zika Mseleku nempilo eziyiphilayo. The show will start on the 27th of June 2023. Umpumelo guys loke wathi nje ukuduma kancane ngokuthi ke ubekade enobudlelwane no Queen Loli. Will also introduce isithembu sakhe naye sezintombi ngoba he is not married but ke unoma wengane, and he will introduce another girlfriend to uma wengane. And yeah guys, I'm not so sure guys, but I'm just curious nje ukuthi ke istory sika Queen Loli sasingeve siyi publicist na njengoba nje emva kwaso sekukhona i-reality show, futhi I'm sure ukuthi ngesikhathi sika Queen Loli vele esiqaliwe ukushuthwa leya reality show. So guys ke ezinye indaba ezibhlungu kwi previous episode yothando nesithembu baveza ukuthi uSine wayekhulelwe, which resulted to many people bemgxeka ngalokho. So in this show they would share ukuthi uSine lost the baby, she had a miscarriage, so bazoveza ke her journey yokugeza after that incident. Ifamily yakamsele guys isithembisa ukuthi ke sizofunda okuningi ngokwenzeka ezinganeni zakhona ngempilo yabantwana bakamseleko. As usually ke social media guys uhleze ke unembono yawo. Some feels ukuthi ke ifamily yakamseleko isi too much la kwi screen sethu. Mawuthi uyavula yibo, mawuthi uyavula ku 161 if akusiyo umnakwethu uthando lesithembu akusiyo, uthando lesithembu igumbi lamakhosikazi. So abanye bakhomle bathi hayi cha ngase siqala ukukhathala manje ile family yakwamseleko. But guys, if there's opportunity why bangayisebenzisi if situation yabavumela basebenzise the opportunity evelayo, why not guys? So yeah, but ke abanye ke bathi ke hayi bona ba enjoy ukubabuka and they just want to see ke a lot about them. They want to see ingane zakhona ukuthi ke ziphila kanjani ke zona ngaphandle kwabazali bazo, you know. So yeah guys, that brings us to the end of this video. To leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.